Hey guys, this is Jamie again. At Price Right Sales, we are all about finding solutions to problems. And in front of me, you're going to see a perfect example of that. These are our all-new Pro Mid component enclosures. How we came up with the idea is we have a lot of customers that would love to have a Pro Mid style speaker like this because of how loud they are, but they don't have the room in their standard door panel for a speaker like this with the amount of depth and the size of the magnet. So without custom installation, which gets very expensive, they're just not able to do so. So we came up with a solution that will allow more people to have a speaker set like this. On my left here is an already loaded pair of enclosures. We did this so you could get an idea of what they'll look like as a finished product. But these will fit anywhere from a 6 to 6.5 inch mid-range driver and about a 3-inch tweeter. These fit perfectly in the hole cutouts that come with the box. There's a lot of different manufacturers that make a very similar 3-inch tweeter to this, but you can put a larger tweeter in there if you don't mind cutting out the hole to a larger size. Over here you're going to see the empty box, which has about a 5 7/8 inch cutout. If the speaker is less than that, you'll be fine, but if it's a little larger, you might have to sand or cut this hole out a little bigger. You will also over here see the cutout for the tweeter. This is where some people might get confused because the hole here is about 2 3/4 inch in diameter, but it also has notches on both sides for terminals. A lot of tweeters like this have terminals that stick out on the side, which cause a problem with mounting hole diameter. If you cut the hole out big enough to fit those, then you got a really sloppy hole. With those notches in the side, this tweeter will go in there with the terminals and fit in there perfectly snug and not have any issues. So since this is one of our most popular tweeters, or size of tweeters in all different brands, that is the standard size hole we chose to go with when making these enclosures. But like I said, if you want to make them bigger, you can cut them out easily. You just want to make sure there's enough room between the outside of your speaker and the frame of your tweeter. That being said, they are made out of 3/4 inch MDF, which is plenty thick for this type of enclosure. You're never going to need that thick a material to hold a speaker and tweeter like this, but we wanted to make them very good quality. These are made in the USA. They come with a charcoal colored carpet on them. If you also look at the back of them, you are going to see these really nice push style terminals. We didn't use a standard cheap, terminal cup. So you're going to have a really good connection. You will also notice on my left here, I forgot to mention, that you have a left and right hand box. So the tweeter is on the inside of both. You can actually also swap these around and make it so the tweeter's on the outside, really whatever you prefer. But with these boxes, we had the idea people can put them under a truck seat, behind a seat in a pickup truck, on the back deck of their vehicle, depending on the vehicle and the size of the back deck. Pretty much anywhere you could fit an enclosure like this, which we do list the measurements in the listing, you are able to put them. It makes it really easy to get very loud highs in a system where you are not able to fit a standard component speaker in a door or whatnot. So hopefully I've covered pretty much anything that you want to know about these enclosures. If you go to our website, you'll be able to see all the variations we list them in. We will list them completely empty like this in a pair. We'll list them with all different types of components, different brands, different models. Pretty much whatever you need, we're going to have. If you visit our website, pricedrightsales.com, you'll be able to see them there. You can also go to the Contact Us page and give us a call. We are more than happy to help answer any questions you have. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.